Viewers, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about types of index numbers. Yesterday we discussed the meaning of index numbers. Now I am going to discuss about the types of index numbers. Before going to discuss the types, I want to remind the meaning of index numbers. Index numbers is a statistical technique used to know the level of changes in a variables or group of variables from one period to another period. So, index numbers is the study of changes. Now, we can understand basic types of index numbers. There are many types of index numbers. We have many measurements using index number techniques, but the following three are the basics of the measurement of index numbers. They are price index, second one is quantity index, and the third one is combination of these two, that is price index and the quantity index, that is value index. So we can discuss one by one. First we can discuss about price index. Price index is the very basic. So because all the economic values are variables are depending on price. So price index is very important index number technique in economics and business. So the price index studies the changes of price level from one period to another period, that is base period to current period. Say for example, a person, we can take Mr. X, he purchased 1 kg of rice for rupees 20 in the year 1990. The same person now purchase same quality of rice for rupees 60 per kg in the year 2020. Here we should note the year 1990 is the base year. The price is changed from 1990 to 2020, that is current year. 2020 is the current year. The price is changed from rupees 20 to rupees 60. So price index measures the changes in prices from a selected base period to another period. Next we can go to quantity index. Like price index, quantity also depending upon the price. Similarly, likewise price index, quantity index also calculated on the base year and current year. A quantity index measures the changes in quantity consumed or produced. In the consumer sector, we can take consumption. In the production sector, that is manufacturing sector, we can take production. So both the quantity are calculated using quantity index from base period to another period. Say for example, a manufacturing industry which started their business in the year 1990 produces 1000 units of commodity X in the year 1990, and the same producer now producing 5000 units of commodity X in the year 2020. Here 1990 and 2020 are base year and current year. So the quantity of the production is changed one level to another level. So quantity index is the measure of studying changes in quantity consumed or produced from base year to current year. Next we can go to the third one, that is value index. So here we have to use formula to calculate value. So value of the commodity is equal to price of the commodity multiplied by the quantity purchased by the consumer or producer. So value index also the study of changes of value from one period to another period, that is base period to current period. Here we have example, Mr. X purchases 2 kg of rice for rupees 20 per kg in the year 1990. So the value of the rice to him in the year 1990 is rupees 40, that is rupees 20 into 2 kg. Similarly, the person X in the year 2020 purchases 2 kg of rice at the rate of rupees 60 per kg. Hence the value of the rice is rupees 120, that is rupees 60 multiplied by 2 kg. So the value of the commodity changed from rupees 40 to rupees 120 per kg, that is base year to current year. So value index is the measure of change in value of one period to another period.